Hello and welcome to Business Tech. I'm Jack, and today we're unboxing my replacement Skullcandy Titan earbuds from Amazon.co.uk. My other earbuds died after 6 days of use, and it wouldn't work from one of the earbuds, so I filed for a replacement at Amazon.co.uk, which was quite easy, and they shipped it out first class, and it arrived 2 days later, which is today, which is Saturday the 13th of March. So let's cut to the chase and start getting into this for a second time. See if I can do it today without needing my Leatherman. See if I can do it without making too much of a mess. Right, we're in. Get rid of the cardboard box. Right, on top, my Skullcandy Titans, complete with all the accessories, just as my last one. Here is some documentations. Love film, free for more documentations, adverts. So about that. So let's get into this. See if I can open this without making too much of a mess, like I did on my last one. As the packaging was quite ripped, and I had to get everything back into its place when sending it back to Amazon, which they pay for, and you can print off a label online. I must say, the whole experience of sort of getting a replacement headphones has not left me too far down, and it wasn't too bad. I'll just pick up things that I've chucked everywhere. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing an earbud. There it goes. Once again, you get 2 smaller earbuds, here and here, and 2 larger ones, so you can change ones that you want on so that it can fit your ear perfectly and you can get the best possible sound from your headphones. Once again, you get Skullcandy, nothing in there, and if we go further down the package, we get the same pouch that your headphones are in. I can just get everything out. There you go. You get your pouch as before, with the medium earbuds, so in between this set and this set. Medium earbuds already pre-installed, which is very handy. I'm not going to go over everything that comes with it like I did in my last one, but if you want to see my full unboxing of my first one, check out the link over there. I will put a link up in the description so that you can see me go over everything, every feature of these headphones. This has been a Business Tech unboxing of the Skullcandy Titan earbuds. If you like what we're doing, comment, rate, my question to all of you is, have you any problems with any Skullcandy products that you've ordered? And if so, leave a comment or video response saying what your problem was, where you'd ordered your product from, and also how you went about resolving this issue.